This is an SRP307K1. It's the casing number is 4R36-01J0. This is a second gen monster, the black monster. I bought this from the original owner recently and looked at it, and I wore it for a couple of weeks. It's a super cool watch, and it's in great condition, especially for its age. It's never been serviced. It's just not me. And so rather than hold on to it, I'm not a hoarder, and I'm gonna let it go. This watch runs great. It's a 2013 model, but as running it and testing the numbers, it runs in the 240s. It's in excellent condition. It's got a new rotating ring gasket. The rest of it I haven't touched. I haven't done a thing to. I can, for the new buyer, if they want, I can put a new crown gasket and caseback gasket in. Wouldn't be a bad idea. The bracelet is full length. It was short when it came to me, but I had a couple of links for this model, and so I included them. It glows like a maniac. Incredibly bright lume. Can't really see it there, but trust me, it's really good. I believe it's a Spanish-English day wheel. Yep, sure is. Today is Wednesday. It is the 3rd. The screw down on the crown is fine. There's no problems with it whatsoever. It's got a new rotating ring gasket. That's all clean. And it clicks through nicely, just as it should. Really nice condition. Really nice condition. It doesn't come with a box or anything. This is all that I've got, but it is complete and it is intact. There isn't even a mark on the crystal. Crystal's in perfect condition. There's almost no marking at all on it. I mean, I can't say that there's none, because I'm sure that there must be, but I'll be darned about where it might be, if there is any. You can see a little bit of marking on the clasp, but that's it. Really nice piece. And for the person who digs this sort of the brutalist aesthetic of the monster, this is a good example, and it is worth considering. Okay, thank you so much.